Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCGD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price had a very impressive bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point during that first 30 minutes, the price was all the way down there, but then by the closing bell, the price was able to work its way all the way back up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, the price definitely did make a nice bounce on the day. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering and mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the 70-cent mark. Why is 70 cents important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 70. If the price were to go back down to 70 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that area where it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price went down here, behaved like this, and then began to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as 70 cents. What about levels of resistance going forward? Well, the key level of resistance right now is all about that purple line there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Going back through the history of the chart recently, you can see that right there knocked down the price, and then again knocked it down right there. So I'm not saying that level can't be broken, just saying that apparently according to the story that's being told to us here via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to break above that level and stay up above it. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, great action to the upside. Now going forward, it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.